guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a tutorial. Finally, a tutorial, makeup tutorial, eyeshadow tutorial today because we have a review slash swatches slash demo of the Juvia'S Place palettes. I have the Zulu palette and I have the Masquerade Mini palette. They do have a regular size one, which is just bigger eyeshadows. This one's mini because the eyeshadows are smaller. I chose this one because I just felt like it had more colors that I wanted to try, and I really like that it has these browns in the palette, because if you're not used to just doing colorful looks, like with this palette it's just all color. It does have a brown shadow, but it's not the same like this one that has like transition brown. This one's more like a warm brown, and this one's more colorful. As you can see, it's all colors with the exception of that brown, and this one's color with transition and kind of like a highlight shade. So I feel like this palette, you can definitely do a whole look with it, and I have done a whole look with this palette. Also, I like I was saying, that it has colors for people who are still not very comfortable using just a full-on colorful look, and they definitely want to mix it like with a little bit of brown, or like do a transition and just add a little pop of color. This is a perfect palette to start getting into color. I feel like it's very beautiful. My favorite color in this palette, I have two, but my favorite one is Cairo. It's a very unique color. It's very like a burnt orange matte, but it has gold glitter flecks, not shimmery glitter, it's just glitter flecks, which looks so beautiful. This pink one also has the glitter flecks, and I am actually wearing the pink in the crease, and you can definitely spot the glitter flecks here and there, especially when the light hits your eyes. Gorgeous. So yeah, this palette, I think this one was $25. I feel like the price is perfect for these palettes. They're affordable, colorful palettes, and the pigmentation is there on all the shadows. I took a long time to do this review and tutorials because I really wanted to see if all the eyeshadows were good, because with color eyeshadows, sometimes it's hard to get every shadow to be a good one, especially like these bright shadows. I was like, okay, maybe like the purple's good, the yellow's not gonna be good, or the teal, but they're all good. The pigment is amazing on all of them, and they blend beautifully, which is something that I personally really liked, because like I said, I wasn't expecting all of them to work amazingly or to all be super pigmented. And I will be doing swatches of all the shades so you guys can see them. But yeah, I love these palettes. This one was $20. They're available at Ulta and obviously Juvia'S Place. I will link both places down below so you guys can check them out. If you guys would like to see the tutorial, which is this one, and swatches, then just keep on watching. the look and everything, you know, I wanted to do it for the gram, so I added a little bit of like glitter down here so it looks like I'm kind of crying and it's like glitter. And I did use this yellow gold from the Beauty Creations Splash of Glitters palette, which looks like this. Beautiful palette. Now this look, I like it. And for those of you wondering, I do go out with these makeup looks. Like, I will go to the grocery store or I will go to the store, it doesn't matter where, I will go out, Target, Walmart, grocery store, in this makeup. I honestly don't really care because, I mean, to me, it's my art. I love how it looks. I'm not embarrassed to go out in these type of colors. I know for some people it's like, oh my gosh, that's too much color. For me, it's like, girl, the more color, the better. So yeah, just don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and wear colorful makeup out. You know, it's 2018, girl. If you want to wear green eyeshadow, pop it on and go out and live your best life, because, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and the swatches and the look. Obviously give it a thumbs up if you did, and I definitely recommend these palettes 100%. I know it was like a small quick review, but what more can I say when the product is amazing? I had no issues with the eyeshadows whatsoever. They do have a bit of fallout, but compared to a lot of other colorful eyeshadow palettes I have in my collection, it's like nothing. Like barely anything. And I mean, I always expect more fallout with colorful shadows. I don't know why, I just naturally expect the fallout, but these surprisingly don't have as much as I thought they would, and I really like that. So yeah, links to the palettes down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me and follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, Makeup by Misela on all of them, girlfriend. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.